Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep from 7 Boss Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to properly use ChatGPT to write a blog. So many of you here knows about ChatGPT. It can write some awesome content for you, but I'm sure many of you don't know how to use it properly if you want to write a blog for you. So today I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. So say this is my blog topic, 10 effective strategies for managing stress at work, tips for employees and manager. If you want to write this blog, so most of you do it like this. So you just open ChatGPT and you just tell ChatGPT to do it like this. So you just tell it to write me a blog on this. So that is how most of the people do this. So you just tell this to write a blog on you to start writing a blog, but this blog won't be as in depth if you use a different command. So let's just wait for it to start writing this blog. Let's just wait few minutes. Okay. So as you see, it is writing you the blog. It's doing a decent job, but it is not something which we can use professionally for a client, or you can use this blog to rank it on Google or any search engine. So let's just stop it. So now let me show you how to do it properly. So you have to tell ChatGPT this command. Write me a blog outline on this blog. So basically you have to tell ChatGPT this command, write me a blog outline on this blog. Either a blog outline or write me an outline on this blog. 10 effective strategies for managing stress at work, tips for employees and manager. And let's see what it does. Okay, so there's an issue. Let's just try it one more time. So let's see what happens here. Just wait for this, for it to process this. Okay, there you go. So it is starting to write me outline. So what exactly is the outline? So outline is basically a framework for your blog. So it will write you an introduction and what are the points which will go under the introduction. Then it will write you a subtopic and what are the points which are coming under subtopic. So see, it first wrote you the introduction and what are the subtopics which are coming under introduction. Then a subtopic is coming. Just wait for it to finish. Okay, so see, it is writing me a subtopic like strategies for employee, strategies for manager, and it is giving some nice subtopic which will come under that. Now you can use ChatGPT to expand on each of this point, and this will help you to write a long article, like an article which is more than 1,000 word and which will be extremely in depth, and it will easily help you to get a ranking on Google. So let's just wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it has completed it right now. So it has given me an introduction, it has given me a subtopic, that is strategies for employees, then strategies for manager, then benefit of effective stress management, and after that it is writing a conclusion. Now the next command which you will give ChatGPT is this one. Write me the introduction using the keyword. So what is the keyword here? So the keyword here is managing stress at work. So that is the keyword which you are working with in this blog. So you just put the keyword in this semicolon and you tell it that write me an introduction using the keyword managing stress at work. Now give it the command. and see it will start writing you the introduction, and see that your keyword is right at the very beginning of your introduction. So this will help you to get a nice ranking on Google. So see, it has nicely given you an introduction. Now you can tell it to write about part 2. So as soon as you tell it to write about part 2, it is smart enough to understand that you are talking about the part 2 of the outline, that is strategies for employees. So there you go. It has started writing on effective strategies for employees to manage stress at work. So it is giving you some point like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can modify this point, add some inputs of your own, so you can make it little more humanized, because you don't want to directly copy paste this content from ChatGPT on your website, because it will look like AI content. So you should modify it a little bit, but you are getting the content. So now you should write about part 3. So part 3 was what? Strategies for managers, right? So now it is starting to write about effective strategies for manager. So you are getting all the topic which you will be using in your blog. So first you have the introduction, then you have that strategies for employees. It has given you 10 strategies. Then you have some strategies for your managers. Then you can continue asking him to write about part 4 and write about part 5, which is the conclusion. So very within 5 minutes you can write a in-depth article on this blog, and then you can add some keywords of your own to make this blog rank on Google. So you can even write part 4, and it will start writing about part 4, so that it is so smart that it can easily understand. Like part 4 means benefit of effective stress management. So it is already saying that part 4 of the article focuses on benefit of effective stress management in the workplace. So it is writing about the benefits now. Then you can also tell it, write me the conclusion. So as soon as you tell it to write you the conclusion, it will start writing the conclusion for you. So there you go. It's starting to write the conclusion. So this is how you use ChatGPT to write your in-depth article. So the command here is, write me an outline for this blog. So you don't just ask ChatGPT to just write you a blog on this. You first tell it to write you an outline, and once it has given you the outline, then you just tell it to expand on each of the subtopic which it has given you. So we hope you like this video, and please do comment that if you found it useful, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. Thank you everyone.